Welcome to Purple Trading, where we offer you cTrader, the incredibly comprehensive platform that has raised the standards in the online trading industry. In our last video, we looked at indicators, including Fibonacci, which is actually a graphic object. So in this video, we will look specifically at graphics. You will find all graphic objects in your Instruments toolbar on both cTrader Desktop and cTrader Web, and we will start with the most important one of all, the horizontal line. Let's say you want to plot multiple levels of support and resistance on a chart. You have the option of selecting the default color for any graphic object. Select the horizontal line and drag it to the first level. At any point, you may hover over the line, right-click, and change the line type, line thickness, and color, and save this as a default. You may then select another horizontal line for the next level. Or you may click Duplicate as many times as you like and rearrange the lines to correspond to the levels required. If, for example, you want one or more lines to be a different color, simply hover over it, right-click, and change the color. If you see this small gray circle in any object, you may edit the color directly from the Instruments toolbar. This system of editing is common to all graphic objects. On cTrader Web, you also have the option of setting the line thickness from the Instruments toolbar before and after. Also, on cTrader Web, you have the option of adjusting the opacity of an object from within the color palette. You may delete any graphic object by right-clicking on the chart, selecting Objects List, and individually delete or remove all. Other lines such as trend line are just as important and can be placed and edited in the same way. You may move the line or adjust the endpoints. You also have the option of Extend to Infinity and Show Angle. Again, the duplicate feature is extremely useful in this situation. Ray behaves like the trend line with infinity selected. cTrader Web also has the option of arrow line, which does just that. Pencil gives you the option of freehand drawing, and you may edit color, thickness, and you may alter their size and shape. You have an equidistant price channel, where you move and change the angle with the main line and move the secondary line to your desired location. Andrew's pitchfork is a similar tool to identify support and resistance in trending markets. Shapes are available in rectangles, ellipses, and triangles. These are quite useful to highlight price action to which you might refer in the future. Markers are also useful for recalling certain points in price action, and you have a variety of shapes available. Of course, you may change the color for each one to represent, for example, bearish or bullish movements. Text is available, and you may alter the position of the text box and cut and paste text from an external text editor. On cTrader Web, you have full text formatting capabilities. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this cTrader desktop and web video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be purple.